Lemon balm tea is trending again with promises of quick weight loss and detox magic. But does it actually work? Or are we sipping on hype? Let's dive into the truth behind this viral tea recipe. Lemon balm is a herb in the mint family used for centuries for stress relief, digestion, and sleep. The trending recipe includes fresh or dried lemon balm, warm water, grated or sliced ginger, a spoon of honey. Sounds healthy, right? But what does science say? Social media says, drink this daily and lose belly fat fast. But here's the truth. Ginger can slightly boost metabolism. Lemon balm may help reduce stress and bloating. No strong clinical evidence supports lemon balm tea causing fat loss. Claims come from influencers, not medical research. Most people see quick results from water weight, not fat loss. Detox and fat melting drinks often rely on buzzwords. Quick fixes rarely lead to sustainable weight loss. Any tea that promises instant results without diet changes? Weight loss equals caloric deficit. No tea changes that math. Long-term health requires portion control, less sugar, whole foods, exercise. If you enjoy the taste or want a relaxing drink, go for it. Just don't expect a miracle fat burner in a cup. Focus on habits, not hacks. Drinking this tea won't hurt, but relying on it instead of healthy habits? Not the best move. So, is lemon balm tea the weight loss hack you've been waiting for? Probably not, but it can still be part of a healthy routine. Try it, enjoy it, but don't believe the hype. Drop your thoughts and experience in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more wellness deep dives. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed.